There's nothing more I can say about this kicky foot. Oh, this has still got the plastic on it. I haven't taken it off actually. I'll do that another time. I don't know what they want to call this. Might call it the Jordan 13 Wolf Grey. Other people call it Jordan 13 Wolf Grey. Some people call it the Jordan 13 White True Red Wolf Grey. That's a lot. I'm going with Wolf Grey. Yes, welcome back people. Your boy picked up a Jordan 13, which I haven't had in my collection for a long time. I think I've only ever had a, let's call it bread. You know, the black with the red around the sole, those ones. Years ago. Years ago. And I wasn't really into basketball boots, so I didn't really appreciate them that much compared to like the Jordan 4s. I just wasn't feeling them. But they were my best Jordans after the wild ones. You know, like this, after 4s, they go a bit funny, in my opinion. Now they've gone retro with the box. It's the silver with the silver box with the red Jumpman in the middle. And it's indented in a circle. I've never really liked this box. If I'm honest with you, I just like there's retro in there, but then there's good retro, and I don't think this was good when it first came out. So it's not gonna be a good retro, if you get what I mean. That's just my opinion on it. You got the details there on the side of the box. It won't even go to focus. So it just says Air Jordan 13 Retro, White True Red Wolf Grey, my size, and the red Jumpman logo. There's nothing more to say about the box really. That's it. So here we have it, Jordan 13, Wolf Grey, nice. Just a nice colorway. I had to get these ones. So let's just start with the sole of the shoe. Now what you have is their herringbone pod grip, and it's surrounded with a red outline, as you can see there. You've also got a carbon fiber plate going through the middle or the midsection of the sole, which is like the traction control, you know, keep it rigid when you're playing ball. You then have the iconic hologram with the Jumpman in the middle there, which is meant to represent a panther's eye, because these are based on a panther, believe it or not. That outsole travels up onto the midsole in various sections, like in pods, as you can see there, and they're outlined with the red as well. The midsection has like, or the mudguard, what you'd want to call it, has a phylon type material. It feels a bit like suede. It's called phylon. I don't know how you would describe it, but that's grey, and it travels up just over another overlay, which is a suede grey material, as you can see there, right through the middle. On top of that, the base of the shoe itself is a white tumbled leather, really nice quality, really soft, nice to feel, and that again has another overlay, which is a massive part of the trainer itself, going from the toe box right around to the heel, and it stops really with that iconic hologram eye at the back there. This has still got the plastic on it. I haven't taken it off actually. I'll do that another time. But yeah, that is meant to represent the eye of a panther as well. You then got the same overlay on the inside of the shoe, traveling from the heel around over the shoe itself, and again straight right up to the toe box, as you can see there, and that covers the big toe on the inside of the shoe. And you've got a massive lot of underlay suede through that midsection there. That suede obviously is under the massive white overlay and is around the heel section as well, and that travels up to inside of the shoe, or the heel of the shoe, which has a white linen lining. Talking around there, the toe box, you've got a nice little label. It says Jordan in red, just at the top of where the tongue starts. The laces are quite thin and intertwined within the shoe, not outside the shoe. And on top of the tongue, which again is in that tumbled leather, premium leather material, you've got the red iconic sewn in Jumpman there. There's no lace swaps in these, which you don't really need, because I don't know what colour you'd want to put in these. Grey laces wouldn't go well, because it just wouldn't. So I can see why they haven't put lace swaps in them, and why would you? These are very comfortable and they're very true to size. The problem with these is they cost you £190. Okay, sorry, £189.95. So you've got to want them because it's £200. It's a trainer and a Happy Meal. Do you know what I mean? But you're still £200 down, or it's a trainer and travel fare. So you've got to want them, and I honestly can't wait to rock these outside as long as the sun keeps on shining. I would definitely protect the suede, you know, with some whatever protector is of your choice. I just think this is one of the best silhouettes of a Jordan you can get. The iconic, you have to keep the red in there somewhere. I know they've changed it sometimes to blues and things like that, but this white, grey and red, yeah man, it's the one. There's nothing more I can say about this kick if I'm honest with you. Is true to size, so you have no reason to go up or down unless you like that tight or larger fit. You got to remember this is a basketball shoe, so whatever you're getting, it's going to look big for you because it's a basketball kick. But I keep on hearing these are the only ones where people still wear on a court because they still feel nice to wear. Like for the size of it, it does feel quite light, I must admit. You know, I don't know if it's that carbon midsole what helps keep it that light, but it does feel quite light. The colourway is fire, and I definitely think it's one to rock for the summer. Not so much in the winter. It's too white. It's too clean. It's too clean. Here you have it, the Jordan 13 Wolf Grey, or what some people called it is the White True Red Wolf Grey. That's way too long. Way too long. But listen, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and definitely comment. Let me know if you cop these. I know that they're still sitting in a lot of stores, and I know it's a lot of Jordans have been sitting. I just feel this is one I really wanted to have because it just looks so clean. So comment below. Let me know you think. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. I don't just do, like, these are not hype, but you know what I mean, they're Jordans in the sense that they're still quite up there. Everyone's looking at Jordans. But if there's other trainers you want me to look at, let me know, man. And we'll see what we can do. But I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.